Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a California poppy with cardstock paper using my Cricut. I have a list of materials along with the template linked below the video, and you could use our template with the Cricut or Silhouette. You'll need to cut your shape on an orange color text weight cardstock paper. Although the California poppies are known for its vibrant orange, you could always try any color you like and experiment with different colors. I also cut some leaves provided in the template with green paper. Once you have the shapes cut, you'll need to color the bottom straight edge of the fringes with a dark brown marker. I felt the center of the poppies tend to have a brown hue in the inside. There will also be a small circle shape, and I like to add some purple watercolor on this shape, which will be for the bottom of the poppy. And when you look at real California poppies, they tend to have a purple bottom detail, which is what I'm trying to recreate with this circle shape. Then start shaping the two petal shapes. I like to curl them in and curl the edges out. I also add some little dented shapes on the edge to recreate the waviness on the petals. Then poke a hole in the center of these petals. Grab the fringe shape and glue onto a wired stem. Then glue the petals and crisscross the second layer of petals. You could try forming these flowers by gathering the petals in and have some more bloomed by leaving the petals more open. Then poke a hole through the circle shape and add the bottom circle layer, covering up any messes if needed on the bottom. This part is optional, but I love to add smaller buds with a smaller wired piece. Bend a small piece on the top and floral tape. Create a small oval on the top and bring down the floral tape. You'll be receiving 3 different leaf shapes to go with the poppies, and you could cut more or less for each flower. Curl the stem part and add some shaping to the leaf part by curling some parts out and some in. Floral tape the flower and add the bud about 1 inch or 2 below the flower, and add the leaves one by one. These California poppies look so vibrant and brightens up the room. They'll look great as a small bundle of 5 or even paired with other paper flowers. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.